Hi kiddos, Miss Smith here, and I'm so excited that you're joining me for another morning meeting. First, before we get started with our date and the weather, I wanted to show you some things that I found on my walk. Can you look at the pictures? Can you name what you see? I see a snail. I see its head. Can you touch your head? Poking out of its shell. I also see a frog. Can you hop like a frog? When a snail is a pet snail and it lives in a cage, you can hear it squeak, squeak, squeak when it moves around its glass. Do you know what sound a frog makes? Can you make the same sound as the frog? Okay, before we get started with our days of the week, I want you to practice jumping like a frog. So I'm going to get rid of our snail here, and let me show you. A frog goes ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Can you jump just like a frog? When we start our days of the week, I want you to keep in mind how a frog jumps. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Okay, let's do our days of the week. I know that today is Friday. Can you say Friday? So today is Friday. Our month is April. And do you know what number this is? Is it 20 or 24? It's the 24th. Good. Today is Friday, April 24th. Okay, did you remember how to jump like a frog? I'm going to come here to Friday, that's today, and we're going to frog jump backwards. Yesterday was Thursday. So if today is Friday, then I'm going to frog jump backwards and say yesterday was Thursday. If today is Friday, I'm going to frog jump forwards. Tomorrow will be Saturday. So if today is Friday, yesterday was Thursday. And if today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday. But today is Friday, and in our building we like to say Friday. April 24th. Very good. Let's move on to the weather. Okay. So here we are right now. Do you know what number this is? Is it 59 or 50? It's 59. Let's find it on our temperature guide. So I see 50 right here, but I know that 59 is more than 50. So I'm going to frog jump up our temperature guide. And 59 would be right here, right below 60. Because when you think about counting, we would go 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 59 is right below 60. And that puts us in our yellow or warm zone. So it's not cold It's not cool, but warm outside. When I look at our symbol on our weather, I see clouds. So that just means it's cloudy outside. Let's keep looking to the rest of the day. I see at 11 o'clock, our temperature goes up. We're going up to 64. It's getting a little warmer. See how we're moving up, 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 up? But I still see clouds. So it will still be cloudy. When we go to 2 o'clock today, I see 63. But this symbol is new. I don't think we've had this symbol since we've started our morning meetings. Let's look over at our weather report. It's not sunny. I do see rain in it, but I also see this weird yellow thing. There it is. There's another weird yellow thing. What is that? That is lightning. Another word for stormy is thunderstorms. Do you know what a thunderstorm sounds like? I hear rain in the background. I hear kind of like a rumble sound, which is thunder. You might hear lightning hit, which is our yellow symbol, lightning. Sometimes thunderstorms can be scary, and that's okay. You just need to tell your family what you want or need to make you feel better. There's going to be some rain today and some lightning. So if you're going to go for a walk, you should probably get it in this morning. But don't forget to take your umbrella just in case. Good job, kiddos. I'm so glad you joined me. I hope you have a wonderful Friday. Enjoy our activities. And as you know, if you need anything, just reach out to Miss Smith. I'm thinking of you guys. Have a great Friday and weekend.